Hello guys, I am Emma Nelson back with another video, and today's video is a bit special because this video is for my writer friends who really like to share the experience online, and this video will help them to make money online. And if you're just a person you are in need and you need money as a commission in your bank account, so you can definitely watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing sites where you can make money by writing your experience. And if you really want to write about anything, it's maybe a movie, it's maybe a sport, and you just need to go through the correct site and share your experience and write about them. So let's see what are the sites that you can make money from, and if you want to know about them, keep watching the video till the end. And thank you if you like this video. Please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's move on to the video. So first on the list we have WhatCulture. So I will put this link down below. Please check the description box. And WhatCulture is an online entertainment news website and magazine which was launched in 2010. This site offers news in the best of professional wrestling, television, films, video games, and board games. So let's see the screen, and as you can see here, WhatCulture, what right for us, videos, quizzes, and you can write about anything in here. So as you can see these options: music, film, WWE, TV, gaming, comics, UFC, sport, offbeat, quizzes, write for us, career. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can write about. So let's move on to the music and check what's in the music section. So as you can see, this is the music section, and the first on the list we have 10 underrated hard rock songs of the 80s, 10 best hard rock intros, 10 songs. Okay, we have a lot of things here. So if you want to write about music, you can write about them like anything you want. So okay, this is the WWE section. So 10 times movie sequels screwed over strong female characters. And okay, there are a lot of things going on here, and the TV shows are here also. Most popular 10 Doctor Who characters who rejected the Doctor. Okay, and there are many other things you can write about in here. So let's see in the more section what they have as okay. This is the more section. As you can see, here is the latest one, the popular one, the videos in here. And okay, how you can earn money from this, it's very easy. You just have to have a PayPal account. And then okay, this is the Write for Us section. As you can see, create content and get paid. Okay, you have to create a content, and you have to put your email address in here and then get started. That's it. You have to know this about this section. And these are the FAQs. How do I sign up? How much do I get paid? When I will be paid? What can I write about? How do I create a content? Whatever the question is. Okay, let's see in this section. So from create, you can see last written features are our bread and butter, but we will also consider quizzes, galleries, video submissions, or news pieces. Okay, films, TV, gaming, sports, and more, recommending minimum 1500 words for lists. Galleries and quizzes are even simpler. Have you worked published? Share it on your Facebook, Twitter. Okay. Okay, in the earn section, as you can see, you will earn revenue for each article that is published. News or list-based articles and quizzes. Galleries considered no limit on articles published, must be at least 100% original content, paid out via PayPal. Okay, you just have to have a PayPal account. So that's it for this section, as you can see here. So let's move on to the next section, the next site that we have to go for. So on the second, we have listverse.com. This is the site. As you can see, this is the site. Okay, I will put it in the description box. So the thing you need to do is just write and get paid, and you can get up to $100 from here. So the rules are pretty simple. Let me explain that to you. Guys, you just need to have a PayPal account, and for this, to get paid actually, and for this, you have to do is you just have to write your thoughts and your experiences and stuff that you know about anything in here. So it can be for the entertainment, it can be for the general knowledge, it can be for the lifestyle, science, society, and more. So it doesn't matter really. And what you have to do is just make a list about it, and it can be up to 10. It should be up to 10 things. For 10 things at least, the least amount is 10, and it can be more if you want to. So the ground rules here are you shouldn't copy from anyone, and the another thing that I should say is if you have a PayPal account only, you can ask money from them, or else you can't even, like, you shouldn't even post here, or like you shouldn't even ask them questions why are they doing this, like if they can pay in some other method to you. That's not gonna happen here. So this is the ground rules are actually. And for the pictures and videos section, as you can see, the short thing I'm gonna say about it, all you can do is recommend some things, like if you really think that you have an imagination and they can't match up to that, so you can send them the link of the pictures and videos from from where you have collected them. That's it. They're not going to collect pictures and videos from you. So that's it. These are the basic rules from here. So let's read only the first part. That is this one. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to pull a list together and send it in. That's it. Okay, I have told everything about this website, guys. You must check it. This is an amazing website, and trust me, if your list is good, they're gonna pay you $100, otherwise not, but they're gonna at least say that that's wrong, you can do it again. They're gonna ask for the second one. So that's it for this one. Next, move on to the next site. Now we are in this side, which is the Sun magazine. So the Sun magazine, let's talk about it. The Sun magazine is a tabloid newspaper published in the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland. As a broadsheet, it was founded in 1964 and the successor to the Daily Herald, and became a tabloid in 1969 after it was purchased. It was purchased in the current owner. By its current owner. It is publishing by the News Group Newspapers division of the News UK itself, a wholly owned subsidiary of Rupert Murdoch's. Maybe, I'm not sure it's Rupert Murdoch. Maybe the pronunciation is correct. Murdoch's New Corp. Since the Sun on the Sunday was launched in February 2012, the paper has been a 7-day operation. Okay, let's talk about this magazine actually right now in here. So what you can do, this magazine actually shares like contents that that are unusual in real life. Maybe you can see this happening in real life. Maybe you're sharing something different, something attached to your heart or something, the feelings, the emotions, all of them are coming in around with your content. Maybe this type of content is very powerful in the Sun magazine, as far as I'm concerned. But you can, of course, log in and check some different things in here. So guys, you can see from here, it's the Sun magazine. My laptop, and I'm showing you the side. So independent reader supported publishing. Current issue, you can talk about current issue, as you can see on the screen, a brutal, very brutal game. This is Essays, Memoirs, and True Stories by Margot Stenient. And okay, let's go on to our chips right now. Let's see what's there. So, what will you find in The Sun? The work we publish explores the connection between the personal and the political, illuminates our common ground, and honors the human spirit. In our online archive, you will find more than 45 years of interviews, essays, fiction, poetry, and photography at your fingertips. That's great. I just love the vibe that's just giving me. Oh my god. It's very amazing, the thoughts they have shared. That's amazing. Explore the topics that interest you most. Enjoy more work by your favorite Sun contributors or binge on our popular readers' right and Sunbeam sections. Okay, that's great. The thoughts they have shared, the words they have used in this site is very. I've seen a lot of sites, but this makes me feel something extra in here. There's something, that flavor which touches your heart always. So this is the flavor that I'm getting here from here. Okay, news and notes, events. You can sign up for our newsletter. Okay, you have to sign up if you really want to submit them, and let's see what there is in the submit check section. Okay, the next time you have work that's ready to submit, why not send it to us? The Sun is a reader-supported ad-free magazine. Yeah, it's ad-free magazine. That's the best thing I would say. We have been described in many ways: celebratory, fierce, unflinching, thoughtful, truthful, darkly funny. Tender contributors tell us that after their work reaches more than 70,000 engaged Sun readers, they often hear from old friends and new admirers. To save your time and hours, we suggest you take a look at the Sun before submitting. We provided some samples for each submission type. That's a nice thing, not most of the sites of this kind of vibe. That's a very nice thing. I've read The Sun before, and always whenever I go through them, the issues and the thoughts people share here, they're amazing. They're absolutely amazing. If you read them, you'll get to know. So if you're a writer and you actually have issues, you think in your mind there are a lot of things going on your mind, and you want to share them, the experiences that you have been going through, please do write here. This is a site which you can actually trust on and share your thoughts and stuff that you need. This is the site that brings up your inner connection with the world. So I would say this is a very nice site, and I would literally suggest you to post here. So if you're sitting at home and you have mostly nothing to do except in this time of the quarantine, you are quarantined, you definitely can go through this site, and this sites are amazing. Trust me, they pay well, and you're getting a job as well, sitting at home and just working from home basically, and earning money at the same time. So I'd request you to go through all the sites that I've shown you and like them as well, submit your thoughts to them, and I am sure that will be great for you. So guys, if you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button down here. Share this video with your friends and help them to earn money by sitting at home. So that's it for my video. I will see you on my next one. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.